Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be opening and assembling LEGO City Set 60300, which is the Wildlife ATV set, which stands for All-Terrain Vehicle. This is the front of the box, this is the back of the box. As you can tell by the size of the box, it's in the £9 price bracket. I didn't pay that much for it, like most of the sets I do. I think I brought it was going end of line from a shop that gives you B and N's and M. I think I probably paid maybe just over half price for this one. We'll open it up. Lots of small fiddly pieces in it, as it's an ATV, a drone, a tree, and a couple of little animals as well. So I've got a little instruction book and 2 bags. I can already see we've got 2 Lego monkeys in it, which is quite nice. Right, a little instruction book is here. First of all, we build the Park Ranger. And the Park Ranger comes with, has some cargo trousers, a blue jacket with a white stripe. Looks like it comes with the same face as the, a very similar face to the stunt pilot. He doesn't have a visor on his helmet, which is, I presume it's a he. Yeah, it's definitely a he. It's a nice helmet though, as you can see it's got like a peak on it as well to keep the sun out. And he has a snake grabbing stick. I'm not sure exactly what you call them, but I'm sure there is a proper name for it, but. And he has a wildlife rescue thing on the back of his jacket as well. That is quite cool. That's like kind of based on the ambulance symbol that's used in lots of countries. The blue one. The blue one looks does look a bit like a snowflake. We have a blue scorpion. Really cool. I like things like this. And we have a couple of monkeys. And one of the monkeys has a banana. And it has a slightly bigger paw than the other one. So I think that's just so it can hold things. So there's one of our monkeys. They look quite cool. I like those. There's the other one. So he's got his animals with him at the moment. First we make the drone. That starts off as a round 2x2 base plate, then a grey 2x1 with a male connector on it. So it's one of those. Whoops, too far, there we go. I have another one of those 2x1 with a male connector on it. And a black 2x2 right angle piece. And we have a white 2x2 curved roofing piece. And 2 see-through round studs. They go on like that for the camera lenses. And we make the 2 side bits for the rotor blades for the drone. So they start off life as a as a 2x2 base plate in white with a female connector. Then we have two black 2x1 with a mini Technic connector. I'll show you one of these quickly. These go on the side here. I put one on the wrong side, so yeah, I put it the wrong way around. They go on like that. Sorry, I had a little friend there. I had to get rid of him. And now we have some mini rotor blades to go on. And there's our drone. That's just quite a nice little Lego drone there. Put that behind there for the time being. Now we make the ATV. So that starts off as a grey 4x2 base plate. Then we have one of these bricks here. I'm not too sure what to make of it, so I'll just show it to you. Do quite like it though, so I've got two of these. This is another set that could have been a 4+ set, so but the actual building on this, because I think they've made it's a 5+ build, so and we know we've got another grey 2x4 base plate which goes on to keep those bits together. Now we've got two of these new axle pieces that I haven't seen before. I'll show you these. They got these small like wheel connector pieces. Got two of these. These go attached onto here, which gives the ATV some sort of steering, which is actually quite good. I do quite like this. Thing Lego have done. So now we've got two red 2x1 base plates to go on the top, and two black 2x1 with some support bars on them. So got two of these go. I think these are like the foot plate to get on and off. And now we have two more of the black 2x2 right angle pieces to go on each end, like so. Now we have a brown 6x2 which goes on the top, and a red 3x2 base plate which goes on the top, like so. And then we have a brown 2x1 with a female connector hook on it, and a red 2x2 with some wheel arches on it. One of these pieces here. Then we have two, that goes on, so that goes on like that. Now we have a cream 2x2 flat, or 2x1 flat, my apologies, like that, and a cream 2x2 half flat, half studded, like so. That goes on the back there. Then we have a red 2x2 right angle piece goes on the front, and a red 2x1 base plate, and on top of that you have another wheel arch piece. That goes on there like that. This is quite a cool build, and I can see Lego reusing this a couple of times. So now we have a brown 2x2x1 base plate with a female connector hook on it, and a cream 2x2 curved roofing piece with a a vet sticker on it. Like the blue, it's kind of like the blue that a lot of countries use for the for ambulances and stuff like that. But this is because they put a paw on it. It's for animals. Quite like that little touch. That goes on there like that. Now we have a clear see-through blue 2x1. And a silvery grey 2x1 vent piece which goes on the front, and a set of metallic grey handlebars which goes on the front there as well. Got our headlights on the front and our handlebars for the vehicle there. There isn't anyone who walks you through on this build, which I have noticed. So next we put the wheels on this thing. So we have 4 red wheel pieces, which are these ones here. And 4 big tyres, or big-ish tyres anyway. So these are the wheels complete. Got 4 of these, so I'm going to stick these on the side here. Stick the drone on the back here. And there we have our ATV, which is actually quite a nice little build. I can see them actually taking this design and actually doing the one for the for their fire range, or maybe the police, or maybe an ambulance one as well, a first aid one as well. Overall, that's quite a nice little build. Now we put his scorpion stick on the back. And I think we have a number plate that goes on here as well. Is that a number plate, or is it a... Not sure what that is, but it does look quite good. It's like a bumper sticker that goes on the back, I think. We'll put him on his ATV. There we go, he can now sit and ride his ATV. And it does actually steer it. If you actually turn the vehicle, if you push it in the right direction, it does actually steer. I'll show you. Like so. That is quite cool, put that there. Now we build the tree. So the base starts with a green semicircle 4x4 piece. 4x4 base plate, I should say. Then we have 2 one round pieces to go on here, with 2 of these arch pieces. Like so. have a corner roofing piece, a brown corner roofing piece which goes in the middle, and another round one cylinder piece. And we have a little, not sure what this piece is meant to be. I know what it looks like, but I'm not going to say. That might actually be something the monkeys left there, but either that or it's pine cone. But make your own mind up on that one. They're sometimes used as cupcakes as well, which is quite funny. And now we have a 2x2 Lego brick in brown, goes on the top. Now we have a round cylinder piece. Then we have a 1x1 with a hollow hole on the side and a mini axle, which can go in there. That piece goes on the side there like that. Then we have two pieces of foliage. Then we have two of these 2x1 curved roofing pieces in green. We'll put another piece of monkey cake down there. We'll call it monkey cake because I don't want to offend the censors. So I think we can all guess what that is meant to be. So there we have our tree. I have got another one of these sets as it happens, so I haven't got the big set with the elephant, but I have got the set with the lion and the lion, the jeep and everything else. So here we have our set. We have our monkey that can hang off the tree here. We'll have the monkey hanging. The monkey can hang there. This monkey can hang there with his tail. The scorpion just sort of malingering like that. And then we can have our wildlife person to come down and oops, it's a bit awkward getting the drone off, but he can have his scorpion grabber, his creature grabber, and he can be grabbing the scorpion by the tail like that. Obviously you don't want to grab a scorpion any other way due to the nature of the creature it is. So, but it's a good figure. I do like the helmet. Could have put a hairpiece with it, but at the price point I paid for it, I can't really complain. So you've got got some nice got a nice little vehicle, some nice Lego animals to add to the collection, and the character does have a cool helmet as well. So overall, a cool set. Well done, Lego. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Have any comments on this video, do feel free to leave them at the end of the video and I'll try to give you a mention on one of my upcoming videos. I'm on YouTube and Instagram if you wish to follow me. Or if you have any friends who actually like Lego, do feel free to recommend me. Stay safe, keep building, and hope to see you in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.